Hey everybody, this is your boy Harshit and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, I'll be sharing with you guys a super interesting thing that I actually use. And maybe, I just wanted to share with you guys. Maybe if you guys wanted to make videos like the way I do, how do I create these super simple animations, animation-based slideshows that you can just simply cook super quick using movie0.dev. So these are a couple of things that I'm just going to use. The first one is about AI agents. So Firecrawl actually only hiring AI agents and not humans. That was super interesting. And again, about Sam Altman's three observation blog post. This was another one. And the last one was meet a founder who only builds products for one specific person. That's Sandra, who's a 42-year-old of head of ops, and the companies are literally making 1 million ARR in 6 months, which is built specifically for one person. So these are four different ideas, that I just came across, and I just wanted to merge them and create a video. So this is a meta kind of video where I'll be creating a video on how I create these presentations first, and then I'll be doing a whole video on the presentation itself. All right. So now let's go ahead. It can be any topic, right? It can be text, it can be photos. It's better if you use text, easier to copy, easier to copy and paste on v0.dev. So here's what we're gonna do. Simple, all right? Just copy out of this, copy anything, right? Any kind of information that you want to add, just paste it here, and I'm just gonna say okay. All right, so this is done, and these are three different observations by Sam Altman, and let me paste it here as well. And the next one again, it is going to be this one. Meet a founder who only builds products for one specific person. I thought this was like super interesting, so this is another one. And then the last idea is going to be Firecrawl. So Firecrawl literally hiring AI agents only. I think that's where the world is heading again. If you guys are watching this video, you guys know what I'm talking about. All right, so Firecrawl is actually a scraping application backed by YC. So yeah, I do have credits for them. So I use their application. Such a cool website. All right. So now let's do this. This is the prompt, right? So just listen to the prompt and you can just replicate the exact same thing. Just say absorb the entire idea of the things mentioned. So what I want to do now is that I am a YouTuber who creates presentation style. Okay, my spellings are a little off here because I'm just typing super fast. Style videos with about 10 slides of presentation with clear cut pointers and concrete info, and then I just do a video. So your job now is basically create the 10 slides working presentation for me with proper buttons so that I can use this for my videos. All right, so why is this important? You can actually just make this on PowerPoint as well or any other platform as well. But the reason I actually use a V0 is because for presentations that you want to do super quick, you don't need a lot of time to go design stuff. All you have to do is just deliver content, and that's the kind of videos that I do as well. Just focusing on a little bit content and value, right? So for that, all I'm going to do is just give the information, give it all the prompt, and then I'm just going to wait for the entire presentation. So as you can see, it is literally writing presentation, but I don't know how the output is going to be. I'm guessing it's very minute details and not much that I can just make use of. But for that, I just want to see the preview because right now, if you see, even if I click on the preview, it's just loading. So I'm just going to wait for the preview until then. I'll just be drinking my butterfly latte. But I'm actually using Crisp. Crisp is super cool. I hope you guys are able to see the difference and maybe not hearing the background noise. All right. Superlinear returns. This is shit. This is so bad. There's nothing in this. All right. So here's what we're gonna do. You know what? I think I was wrong. Maybe what we can do is this is. I mean, this is fine. Actually, this is not bad, but these are just like pointers, right? Strategies for finding superlinear returns. What if we say give better content and value added content, keep the design just simple black and white, make full screen, and what else? Add some pictures if possible. Let's see if it does that, but I don't really think it does pictures because this is just pure code. V0 is only built for UI and then just version 0 of building your website. So it won't properly be able to do that. Alright, so it's adding some placeholders, but I'm not sure what this is. I'm guessing it's just a placeholder, just for the sake of it. But let's see. The thing is, V0 is trained in such a way that it basically gives you output, which is basically version 0 itself. It doesn't think of it as a production-based system. It just thinks of it as a version 0. So that's something that I just hate. All right, so but I'm just gonna wait for the output right now and see how exactly they are. I mean, the AI is doing it. All right, let's wait for the preview. Okay, so I did get the preview, and these images just don't work. There are no images. There is nothing. But you know what? The content is enough. The content is super clean. It's just enough for the presentation. Maximize potential, pursue work that generally interests you. I'm just reading these pointers. Feels okay. Now here's one thing that I noticed. So V0 is really good with design and it's really bad with content. So instead, what you can do is instead of pasting everything here in V0, the best way to do it is actually to paste it on ChatGPT. All right. You know what? Let's just copy the exact same prompt. Say copy this, paste it here. All right. Let's add more stuff. You know what? I think I'll be skipping the superlinear. Maybe we can just try and then just enter. All right, let's see how this gives us the slides. Create a 10 slide presentation with clear cut pointers. All right, so it's giving, okay, the slides that ChatGPT gives is much better. All right, okay, it's just the 3 pointers again. Maybe it's in the prompt, maybe it's in the prompt that I've just asked it to give pointers. Instead, if I just ask it to give proper presentation, then maybe it'll do a good job. But yes, this is something I wanted to share with you guys. And again, if you simply want to export this or just publish this, just click on publish, name it superlinear returns category. I'm just gonna say uh, sites, I guess. Yeah, just sites, and then just publish. And now when I do that, anyone can basically just access this. Right? It's that easy. So that's how easy it is to build presentations and share your ideas and thoughts. In a super simple way. It didn't really take us a lot of time. Just took us like 5-10 minutes just to build this and then deliver your idea. So that's something I just wanted to share. Different use cases of V0. You can try to explore. You can try to explore much more use cases, but this is something that I just came across and I just want to share. So yeah, see you again in the next video. Peace.